What's guys, it's me, Donut Bear here, and today we're playing Cat Trip Part 2. If you haven't heard of the other one, go on my, go under it and find that video and watch it first. Anyways, let's get into the video. So last time we left off here and we found 2 cats. So let's actually explore. I thought that cat was holding up the middle finger. He's confused like I am. M cat. Yes. Makes sense. Alley trash napkin. I actually did not know that would be in there. I just checked on that trash can because just in case. But I'm gonna be finding everything in a hurry. God, my leg. What's this bird doing here? Ham. One's in here. God, my leg. Yeah. 27? Already found one. Wait, what about there's one in the bushes, just like last time? I knew it. Well, why does that cat look like that? Not making fun of the cat. I was not making fun of the cat. Probably when I get to the next level, I'm just gonna stop recording. Bro, I lag so bad right now. Bro, can I just not do that? Oh, this is a burial block. There's one. There's 2. There's 3. This umbrella looks sus. Aha. But I'm literally rushing through this. Why are you looking at that? Is there anything in here? Is there anything in here? Nope. Nothing is in there. What about up here? Edge cat. Dang, that's why I'm lagging so much. Wait, Dennis's cat. Thai cat in boat. Yes. It kind of looks like Dennis Daly's cat. I can't even speak right. Okay. It's been 5 minutes. I wonder what's next. So, if you can hear the sound, YouTube, please do not copyright me just because of the sound, because I do not know how to get rid of it. Nope. Then why are we rolling away from our ward and just going on an island? Is that a shark? Oh, that actually scared me. I did not know there was sharks in this game. I hope one doesn't get me. Ah! That actually scared me. Go, 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 fast. Are we gonna bonk into that? Oh no, yeah, the boat just vanished. That makes sense. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.